Hi boys and girls, I'm back and welcome to the Steak and Brush. I'm Christine. Today we have the Jeffree Star mini mystery box. Before we get into it, as always, if I can ask you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with any of your makeup loving friends, and follow me on Instagram at steak_and_brush, especially this season of the holiday season. I'm trying to do a makeup look per day that is kind of festive. Hey, couple things before we get into opening up the box too. I apologize if you hear anything in my background, especially like a pounding. My wonderful neighbors, and when I say wonderful, I absolutely mean it. They are the best neighbors you could ever have, but they have a puppy who's not quite a puppy anymore. She's what is she, a husky, and she can now jump their fence. So they are spending the day extending their fence, and so you may hear some pounding in the background, and I apologize, but like I said, they're wonderful, wonderful people, so I can't begrudge them for anything. Okay, so the mystery box. A little bit of backstory on this before I open it. I really don't have much Jeffree Star. I don't watch Jeffree Star's channel. It's just, you know, it's a little too drama-y for me. But I have tried, I tried one of his the velour lipsticks. I've really, really liked it. And I have at least one dupe of one of his eyeshadow palettes. So I don't have any, problems with his line or anything like that. But I did watch some unboxings of his Halloween mystery box, and I thought, oh, that's awesome. So when the Black Friday ones rolled around, they had a mini box with 3 items for $20. I thought, okay, I'll do that. I actually had no problems getting one. I thought there would be like a big long queue and stuff, but I didn't have any problems getting it. It's supposed to have 3 items, and one is supposed to be an exclusive item. Now, yesterday or the day before, I forget which, I got a text from a friend who was mad because she saw a spoiler, and the spoiler, she said, was kind of crappy. And I guess, come to find, a lot of people were complaining, and Jeffree Star sent out an email apologizing. He said that the exclusive item, it said that it was an exclusive makeup item, and it should have just said it was an exclusive item. So I'm assuming there is an item in here that is not makeup, but it's exclusive. But people were upset about it enough, so he refunded everything. I got my email. It actually hasn't come through my bank, but it's a weekend. But so apparently there are 2 makeup items in here and 1 regular item. But all in all, I'm getting this for free, so I can't complain. If I paid, maybe I could complain. I don't even know what any of it is, so let's get into it and see now that we have the whole story. All right. Maybe. Oh, I just cut it open. I haven't looked yet. It comes in a cute little thing. And now obviously there were much bigger boxes. There was like a $60 one and a $120 one or something that had a lot more. But this is all I could afford. But no. Okay, I see 2 items. Oh, I see what it is. Yeah, I understand why people were pissed. I would be too. Our exclusive item are stickers. Yeah, had I not gotten a refund on this, I understand. I mean, they're cute. They're like tattoo, flash art kind of stuff, but yeah, that's not I would not consider that an item. So we have 2 things in here, and okay, so let's look. All right, so the first one is a lipstick. Now it looks like it's actual bullet lipstick. Oh, maybe here. I have to give it to Jeffree, even though I don't like the whole pink. His packaging is very, very pretty. I mean, okay, but let's be honest with this one a little bit. This looks like a little mini vibrator. All right, and you have it. That's a very pretty, like, mauvey brown. It's very cold because I just got it. Okay. And this, it says Posh Spice and shake well before use. Oh, it is a velour liquid lipstick. So we got 2 lip products, which I do not have a problem with, especially since the velour ones they were like $18 a pop. So I pretty much got a free, well, I would have got, but I have got it free. This is also very brown. I don't know, that might be a little too brown for me. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna be too brown for me. I might be able to shake it up with some lip gloss or something. But let's go ahead and I'll just try these 2 on and we'll see what we got. I don't have any other makeup on because I didn't know what would be in here. Let's see. Oh yeah. That makes me look dead. I really like the formula of these. I have the Pussy Whipped in this. But this, yeah, this makes me look dead. Here's just it's an Alhambra lip gloss. Has a little bit of orange tint to it. Let's see if I add a little bit of that, if it helps. Eh, not really. It just makes me look orange and dead. So, yeah, I don't think that's a good color for me. That might be a pass on to someone if I find somebody who has that tone. So let's just take this off. And I have no idea if everybody got the same colors or what. I know like the Next Level Up, I think had their exclusive was going to be the new Frosty Extreme Frost highlighter, and I think the big one had the Blue Blood palette in it. I'm not sure. I really try not to look at spoilers. Of course, spoilers for a box that I'm not getting is not as bad, but okay, let's take a look at the Celebrity Skin. Okay, this is a very nude, for me at least. And you know, I don't like bullet lipsticks all that much, but this, or at least this kind of half frozen, is not bad. Okay, that is a very, very natural nude for me. Like my exact color. So the formula is not bad though. So if I actually decided to buy bullet lipsticks, this wouldn't be bad. All right, so what are my thoughts? Honestly, had I not been refunded, not only with the stickers, but not the products, but the color choices, I would not have been happy at all. considering I got it for free, yay! But yeah, this was kind of a downer of a box. I'd heard before that they use these boxes to get rid of a lot of their unsold product. Well, that's not too great. I mean, if you really love the brand and stuff, that's fine. But then I watched those Halloween boxes and I thought, oh, well, that's not, I mean, some of the stuff was, not brand new, but you got the exclusive, and the exclusives are always worth something that you can, at least, if you don't like it, you can sell it. And most of their stuff, I'm trying to think of what was in I mean, they didn't have the $20 boxes for Halloween. I think 40 was their lowest. And the $40 one, I think even had a t-shirt in it and a mini palette. So, that would have been awesome. And I know the big ones had like mirrors and a jumpsuit. I don't know why I understand that's his brand, but I would never wear a jumpsuit. But yeah, this not so much. I really, really would have to think twice before buying again, although hopefully they won't make that same kind of mistake. Yeah, I got a very, very natural nude lipstick out of it, and a lip product that I personally can't wear. I mean, maybe I'll find some other use for it. We'll see. But nope. Sorry, Jeffree. This was a dud for me. Wah, wah. Alright, well, sorry to end this on such a low note, but, these kinds of things happen, and it's better that you get to see them online than experience them yourself. Alright, well, I'm glad you were on this ride with me today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.